What's going on, guys? Welcome to the live stream here on YouTube. Man, I actually can't remember the last time I've done a live stream on YouTube, guys. So let's see if anyone even joins this thing. I'm walking my dog right now. It's feeling good. Oh man, it's a little windy. But nothing we can't handle. Come on, BZ. Let's go. Let's go, bub. Let's go. What's going on, guys? Ryan. Welcome to the live, Ryan. Come on, BZ. Let's go. You guys are doing well. Bill, what's going on? Oh, shoot. My dog is rolling in the mud, of course. Of course. That's how it goes. That's how it goes. What are you looking at? What's going on, Ryan? Yasu, Bill, what's going on, man? I got my Greek buddy Bill in here. Yasu, Bill. Vasily, how are you, my friend? Hope you guys are all doing well out there. Yeah, man, it's windy as hell here. It is. It's not that cold. I mean, it's like 55 out. It's not that. Actually, it's probably lower than that. Geez, probably like 45, but it's not that bad. I'm running because my dog's running. But what are you guys doing? How are you guys today? Peter, I wish I could turn the wind down. Here, let me dial it down. All right, hopefully that worked. Let's see what you guys are up to. PLTR winning. Yes, it sure is. Palantir is awesome. You want to do the video with the dog and wind. Well, the funny thing is, guys, I don't really go often or on live too often here on YouTube. On TikTok as well, I don't really go live often. But when I do, it's usually when I'm walking my dog and we're outside, so. NVIDIA going to 135 next week. Yeah, maybe. It might. I mean, I'm a buyer if it does. I'm looking to buy more, especially if it goes under 130. Heck, if it goes under 130, I'll be buying it. Yeah, so for this week, guys, I'm eyeing up Google for sure, Alphabet, and I'm also eyeing up NVIDIA, but probably leaning more towards Google just because of the valuation. I mean, have you guys seen the PE on Google right now? I think it's like a 21 PE on Google, and the forward PE's in the high teens. So Google's at a very good value right now, no doubt. So if that stock slips, I think it's currently at 167. If Google comes down even more, you know, maybe 160 under that, especially, I'll be buying a lot more Google. So Ryan says it's cold where I am in the UK. Yeah, man, I can imagine. Kevin Hawthorne says good morning or good afternoon from Lakeland, Florida. What's going on, Kevin? Thanks for tuning in to the live stream. I appreciate you all. I'm sure it's not cold down there in Lakewood, Florida, or Lakeland, Florida. Looks like V-Raj says, I got into crypto. Any thoughts on Pepe, SHIB, and Doge? Well, I know for sure those are the meme coins. So, you know, they're even more speculative than the other cryptos, which those are speculative as well. But, yeah, I'm not the biggest crypto guy. I've never claimed that I was. I have owned Bitcoin over the years, though. I mean, I started buying it in 2017. I sold out a little bit, bought more over the years. But yeah, in terms of altcoins, meme coins, I'm not too heavy in those. You said Pepe, SHIB, or is that Shiba Inu, I guess, and Dogecoin. Yeah, I'm not in any of those. Right now, all I'm in is Bitcoin and XRP. And I'm kicking myself because Guys, I bought XRP about a week ago, literally, and I bought a smaller position, couple $100, nothing crazy. I wanted to put more initially. I wanted to buy much more XRP, but I didn't. And guess what? I bought at 69 cents. 69 cents. Have you guys seen XRP lately? Last I checked, it was like $1.50 or something. So I could have doubled my money in a week. It's all good. But yeah, XRP, it's taken off. But for now, for me, guys, all I'm in is Bitcoin and XRP. Nothing against the other ones. I don't know. Like I said, I'm not a big crypto guy, though. Oh, man, I'm sorry, guys. The wind today is ridiculous. What the heck's going on here, man? By the way, guys, hit that like button here on the live. Let's get the live out to more people. Hit that like button. I appreciate you all for tuning in to the live here on YouTube. You guys are awesome. There we go, getting those likes up. We're at 4 likes. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Let's see. Mike said, hey, Stas, what's going on with Amazon and Google? Well, nothing's going on with Amazon in terms of the fundamentals. Nothing really is going on there. It's just simply pulling back. And I actually made a video on my YouTube today, actually, going over Amazon. The chart, I think, is oversold, and we're due for a bounce back. I actually do. But yeah, in terms of Amazon, nothing's going on. We just got a bit overbought. We hit all-time highs, I think like $215 a share. Now it's at $190. The chart still looks really good. So yeah, I actually like Amazon here. I do. Maybe not so much as a long-term investment per se to start. Maybe the valuation isn't the best, but as a trade, as a swing trade, it definitely looks good on the charts. Amazon and Google, on the other hand, obviously, there's a lot going on with the DOJ, them getting broken up potentially, which, by the way, that would take years for it to actually happen, guys. But yeah, I mean, Google, that's why that one's selling off. And yeah, I think Google, valuation-wise, is better than Amazon right now. But for a swing trade, I would probably lean more towards Amazon, for sure, for a swing trade, because there's no really negative press, negative news around Amazon right now, at least to my knowledge. So I think it'd be better for, I think it's more likely in the short term Amazon would bounce back opposed to Google. Google ultimately will bounce back, but it might take a little longer than expected. We shall see. Oh man, now we're getting really windy. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm gonna go in my car in a little bit. Come on, Ibiza. Man, it's really windy today. Holy smokes. But yeah, guys, drop me some more questions, comments, whatever you want to talk about. Let's talk about it. Hit that like button. I appreciate you all for tuning in here. Smash that like button. Let's see. Let's see. Definitely getting more shares. SoFi, $20 by the end of the year. Maybe, man. I'm satisfied with where we are now, though, to be honest. I mean, if we ended off the year with where SoFi's at now, I'd be satisfied. But hey, I wouldn't mind $20. That wouldn't be bad. I wouldn't mind that either. But yeah, I'm very ecstatic with where SoFi's at. I mean, I'm in at, what is it, like $6.80. Truly Real says, I got $10,000. Where should I throw it? I mean, that's a pretty vague question. I mean, I don't really know your situation, what other investments you have, so I can't really obviously give you personalized financial advice. But what I could tell you is, if I had $10,000, what would I do with it right now? I don't know. That's a good one. If I had to buy some stocks with it, I'd probably buy some more Google with it. I'd throw some maybe in an ETF, VTI. I actually really like energy stocks over the next couple of years. So maybe I'd throw some in XLE, which is an energy ETF. We actually called that out in the low 90s. Now we're pushing $100 a share on XLE. So I think we're going well over all-time highs on XLE while Trump's president. I mean, if you guys didn't know, the all-time high, I think, is like $101 back in 2014. We're talking a decade ago. So, yeah. I mean, yeah, with 10 grand, that's probably what I would do. Some not S&P, some VTI, some diversification. I'd throw in some Google, maybe some energy stocks. Yeah, I'd probably have to think about that a little more, but just a quick answer, that's probably what I would do. Heard Santa rally is the last trading day in September and second trading day. Well, honestly, when they say Santa Claus rally, they're talking about pretty much the whole holiday, not the whole holiday season, mainly just December, like the 2-3 weeks in December, that's what they're talking about. Not necessarily the second day of or the last day of December, but yeah, I think we will get a Santa Claus rally. I don't see why we wouldn't, honestly. I mean, who knows though, right? We don't know, guys. We don't know. Yeah, DFTF. DeFi Technologies. That stock's been crushing it, no doubt. I think it just hit a fresh high a couple days ago, actually. And yeah, it makes sense with all the crypto movement. DEFTF is crushing it. I'm pretty sure Tom Lee just tweeted about it too a couple days ago. So Tom Lee, if Tom Lee's tweeting about a stock, that stock might pop off. At least that day. I don't know. Yeah, SoundHound AI. Yep, we covered that one a couple of videos ago here on YouTube, guys. SoundHound is definitely crushing it. Yeah, you guys, some of you guys might not like Tom Lee. But yeah, I'm pretty sure Tom Lee did tweet about it. He is a perma bull, so I don't know if that guy ever sees stocks going down, but come on, Bees, where you going? Let's go. What are you waiting on? Yeah, Tom's great. I mean, he's been right on a lot of picks, no doubt. He's been crushing it this year. He called the small cap rally out, which is phenomenal. Now we have the Russell pushing all-time highs. Come on, Bubs. Come on, BZ. Mike said, you've been talking about SoFi for a while. I've been too scared to buy into it. Well, do you think it'll still go up? I mean, yeah, I think at this point, if you're not in it already, I wouldn't necessarily chase it in the short term. I'll be honest. I mean, I think SoFi will go higher. Come on, Bees. Come on, Bees. Let's go. I think SoFi will go higher over the next couple of years. I have no doubt in my mind. But in the short term, I don't know. I think it might sell off. I think we might get a decent sized sell off in the next month or two. I think we will. And you might regret going all in right now if you were to buy it, honestly. Love the company. They're growing. I think they're doing well. But I think it's just it's a little too hot in the short term. It doesn't mean it can't go higher. It sure could. It could go higher in the short term. But to start a position, I'd probably wait. I mean, you had all year, you know. You had all year to start your SoFi position. If you're not in it now, I'd just sit on my hands. Or maybe just add a little bit. Yeah, Ryan says it's not too late. I mean, yeah. Listen, if you really wanna be in SoFi stock, I would just dollar cost average. You know, if you missed the initial boat buying under $10 a share, I would just maybe wait for a pullback. Or if you really want to buy into it, add a small position, dollar cost average, and then just go from there. Let's see. BBAI. Yeah, I haven't heard of that one. Palantir hit my resistance. Yeah, Palantir is right around there, right? $63, $64 right now. That's a big spot for the stock. What else are you guys saying? Zeta beaten down on BS short report. Yeah, that happens. What else are you guys saying? Drop some more comments, guys. Check out my dog, by the way. Hey, let's go, Biza. Let's go, let's go, let's go. There she goes. Tesla running up again. Yeah. You could say that again. That stock is back, baby. Tesla is back. And that's another one that I wouldn't necessarily chase. I don't know. Maybe it does go higher, though. Who knows? Truly Real says, any good healthcare stocks? Honestly, man, I haven't been too much in the healthcare stocks these last couple of years. I used to own Johnson & Johnson. I used to own AbbVie. I actually made a lot of good money on, AbbVie, ticker symbol ABBV. But, yeah, I mean, I don't know. I'm not in any healthcare right now. But there's so many different companies you can look at. I mean, Novo Nordisk, I mean, Johnson & Johnson, AbbVie, United Healthcare Group. There's just so many, you know. I could talk, the list goes on in terms of the actual companies, but diving into the numbers and figuring out which one is actually the best, I haven't done that, so I can't really give you an answer. But I don't know. I would just pay attention to what drugs are on the market. You know, what's kind of what companies, what drugs they have. You know, which ones are about to pop off. You know, that's a different kind of game, the healthcare stock game. But let's see, what else are you guys saying? Oh my God, it's so windy. Yeah, AJ, I have to check a couple of those. I'll add them to my list. Jude said, I remember when you used to cover Palantir but didn't own it. Yeah, there was a time where I did not own it. Yeah, that's right. But then I bought it, and I'm so happy I did, man. Woo, I'm so happy I did. I bought at $21. I bought more at 20. I bought some at 22. You know, I was buying a lot in the low 20s, and now I'm up a lot. Let's just say that. I'm up a lot. Yeah, Ryan, I know, dude, right. That's funny because other people have said that too. It's like they see me, they're like, oh, you probably have a big dog, right? Like a husky or a freaking Doberman or something. And no, here I am with an 8-pound Chihuahua. She's my baby girl, though. You know, she's great. I love her to death, man. But yeah, you'd think I have like a big dog. You know, I'm like 6 foot, 220 pounds, and I have this little 8-pound dog. Let's see what else you guys. Target on the dip. Yeah, Target, I mean, what worries me about Target is the CEO. They cut guidance on earnings after just raising guidance last quarter. That's never a good sign. So they raised it last quarter, only now to cut their guidance for EPS. Not a great sign. He's saying that people aren't buying as much discretionary items. Also not a great sign. But I don't know. Maybe it was an overreaction. You could argue the stock dropping 20% was an overreaction. But I don't know. I wouldn't bank on an instant rebound in Target stock. I wouldn't. Yeah, I'd stay away from it. I personally rather invest in Walmart. People go there. They spend a lot of money on non-discretionary items. And even the discretionary items in Walmart are cheaper than Target. And the crazy thing is, guys, I don't know if you caught it, but I was reading Target's earnings release, whatever. They cut prices. They cut their prices on 5,000 items, some of their most popular items. They cut their prices. And people are still not buying as much. Discretionary spending isn't where it should be. They're cutting EPS. Not the best, man. Not the best. Yeah, Ryan, it's all about the love. That's right, man. That's right. AJ said, what's your crypto play? Not a big crypto guy, but I'm in XRP and Bitcoin. XRP, I'm up a ton. I wish I put more into it, but it is what it is. Nike, yeah, I'm not a big fan of Nike right now. They have to figure out their stuff. They got to figure out their stuff, man. They're struggling. Cybersecurity play. I'm in, what's it called? CrowdStrike. I'm in CrowdStrike. My average is like 240, so I'm up a lot on it. So that's my only cybersecurity play. Ratbag says, great live listening from New Zealand. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. Is Google a buy right now? Yes, I think it is, personally. Now I'm buying it. I've owned it for years. I think it's undervalued compared to the overall stock market, so I'm buying it. Jude said you should come live often. I should. This is actually my first live on YouTube in a while, man. I can't remember the last time. I've been doing YouTube for 6-7 years now, and I cannot remember the last time I've come live. But I have gone live on TikTok a lot. So I'm not sure if you guys are following me on TikTok, but I usually go live on there, but I figured let's switch it up. I know YouTube brought over the vertical live streaming, so I figured let me come on YouTube here. Vertical live streaming. Might as well give it a shot. And we have what, 35 people in here? I appreciate you guys, man. I appreciate you guys. Hit that like button, by the way. Hit that like button. Smash it, man. Smash it. Let's go. Ibiza. It's time to go home now. My dog is like cracked out right now. She's running around. Let's pick her up real quick. There she is. What's going on? Ibiza. Yeah, my wife named her Ibiza. She came up with the name. There she is, guys. So what else are you guys saying? Listening from San Antonio. Thank you, Dwayne. I appreciate you. Thanks. She's catching them scents. Yeah, I know. Let's see, what else are you guys saying? Yeah, man. I don't know what else to talk about. How quickly will altcoins drop? Man, that's a great one. I don't know. I couldn't tell you. What's your hot pick? I don't know. I mean, there's a couple. I think Google's a great one in the large cap space. I think SoundHound AI looks pretty good after earnings. If you're looking at a smaller company with high short interest, that could pop off in the short term, in my opinion. Let's see. Craig says Maryland in the house. What's going on, Craig? Scotia64 says, what do I think of this SoFi run? I think it's long overdue. I think it's long overdue, to be honest with you guys. Very long overdue. And it's been a while. It's been a while. You know, the stock SoFi did nothing all year, and all of a sudden, boom, now we're up to $15. It's been a long time coming, and I think the high short interest, I think we're getting a squeeze, you know, and that's what we're getting right now. Amazon, yeah, Amazon looks good on the pullback. Ryan says some small mid stocks. Any thoughts? Yeah, I mean, I would say we talked a little bit about DeFi Technologies. That's more in the crypto. It's like a crypto stock. That's a smaller cap that I like. Been tracking it for a while. That's crushing it. Like I said, SoundHound AI. But for the most part, guys, I'm not a big individual small and mid-cap investor. For the most part. People are saying, what about CELH? That's, what is it, Celsius? Yeah, that stock's been hammered, no doubt. I don't know. I don't know about Celsius, guys, to be honest. But yeah, guys, I might get out of here. We're on for about 27 minutes right now, and I do have to get back to my house, but I appreciate all of you guys for tuning in. And would you be interested if I went live more often? Let me know, because I'll consider it. Maybe start going live on my desktop more. That could be something worth doing. Let me know what you guys think about that. And yeah, feel free. Yeah, ETFs for crypto. Pretty much, yeah. Yeah, it was a good time here, guys. We'll talk soon. I appreciate all of you for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. You too, Ryan. Cheers, man. And I'll see you in the next video, whenever that is. Peace out, guys.